Grade 10 Geography, first lesson. The composition of the earth. The composition of the earth, first lesson. The composition of the earth is only planet which sustain life. The reason for the existence of life are availability of air, availability of water, availability of solar energy. What are the reasons? What are the reasons for the existence of life on earth? Availability of air, water, and solar energy. Then composition of the earth. There are the area of the surface of the earth is about 510 million square kilometer. Sometimes this may be a question in part 1 paper. Okay. Polar diameter, equatorial diameter, polar diameter 12,700 and polar diameter 12,714 kilometer. Equatorial diameter about 12,757 kilometers. You should know this. Surface area 510 million square kilometer. What are the subsystems of the earth? Subsystems. Subsystems. What are the subsystems of the earth?
Atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere.
Atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. These are called as the subsystems of the earth. Atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. දැන් ඔයගලන්ට දන්නවනේ මේ part 2 paper එකේ questions එද්දී question එකේ row number 1 2 3 4 ඒ විදිහට එන්නේ 1 2 3 ඒ විදිහට එන්නේ. එතකොට question එකක් එන්න පුළුවන් name the subsystems of the earth and explain one of them. ඒ වගේ questions එන්නේ. Atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. These are the subsystems of the earth. Okay. Okay, then we interaction among these subsystems. What are the interaction? What are the example for interaction among these subsystems? What are the example? The water in the hydrosphere is added to the atmosphere through evaporation. Here interaction between hydrosphere and atmosphere. Can you see here interaction? The water in the here water hydrosphere. The water in the hydrosphere is added to the atmosphere. Atmosphere through evaporation. වාෂ්පීකරණයේදී මොකද වෙන්නේ? ජල ගෝලයේ තියෙන ජලය වායු ගෝලයට යනවා. Here interaction. We can see here interaction between hydrosphere and atmosphere. The water fall again to the earth as precipitation. Second one, the water fall again to the earth as precipitation. So these are also interaction between these subsystems. Lithosphere එකට වැටෙන්නේ නේ. එහෙනම් atmosphere එකේ තියෙන water vapor form here water cycle. This process is called as water cycle. Atmosphere water vapor condensation, formation of clouds, and then we receive rain. So the water falls again to the earth as precipitation. Then what are the other interaction between? The components of the bioenvironment. The components of the bioenvironment has impact on the hydrosphere, atmosphere, and lithosphere. It also we can take as interaction. The components on the bioenvironment. මේ ජෛව ගෝලයේ තියෙන දේවල් බලපෑම් කරනවා hydrosphere එකට, atmosphere එකට, lithosphere එකට. Process of photosynthesis. Sunlight absorbed by plants, carbon dioxide absorbed by plants, release oxygen, sugar, here water. This process is called as photosynthesis. The components of the bioenvironment. Bioenvironment එකේ තියෙන අංග මොකද කරන්නේ? Impact on the hydrosphere, atmosphere and lithosphere. These are we can call as interaction between these subsystems. These are the example. The water in the hydrosphere is added to the atmosphere through evaporation. That water fall again to the earth as precipitation. The components of the bioenvironment has impact on hydrosphere, atmosphere and lithosphere. The bioenvironment in the biosphere is composed of, this one also example for interaction. The bioenvironment in the biosphere is composed of soil, air, water. The bioenvironment in the biosphere. Biosphere එකේ මේ ජෛව ගෝලය හැදෙන්න බලපාලා තියෙනවා මොනවාද? Soil, air, water. Soil, lithosphere, air, atmosphere, water, hydrosphere. So we can see interaction between these subsystems. Okay, then we are going to discuss about the lithosphere. Lithosphere. We discuss about them. We discussed these lessons before this. Now we are going to do a revision. Lithosphere. Lithosphere is layer that includes earth crust and upper mantle. So sometimes there may be a question, what is the lithosphere? Define the lithosphere. So you have to write down this one. Lithosphere is the layer. Lithosphere is the layer that includes earth crust and the upper mantle. According to this diagram, you can see lithosphere is this layer. This layer is called as lithosphere. Lithosphere include earth crust. This area is called as crust. මේ උඩම තියෙන කොටස crust එක නේද? And upper mantle. Mantle එකේ ඉහළ කොටස සහ crust එක තමයි lithosphere කියලා කියන්නේ. There are two parts of the lithosphere, earth crust and the upper mantle. Earth crust and the upper mantle. Lithosphere consists of two parts, earth crust and upper mantle. Lithosphere is the layer that includes the earth crust and the upper mantle. Here you can see, look at this picture, this diagram, lithosphere. This area is called as crust. Here you can see continental crust and oceanic crust. We have discussed about them. Crust include two parts. Here oceanic crust, here continental crust. Lithosphere consists crust and upper mantle. Mantle එකේ ඉහළ කොටස සහ crust එක තමයි lithosphere එකට අයිති වෙන්නේ. You can see it clearly in this diagram. If you have any question, you ask. What are the two parts of lithosphere? Praveen, what are the two parts of lithosphere? Gimina, what are the two parts of lithosphere?
Crust and upper mantle.
Yes, crust and upper mantle. Crust and upper mantle. Lithosphere consists of two parts, earth crust and upper mantle. What are the two parts of earth crust? What are the two parts of crust? Huh? Yes, continental crust and oceanic crust. Continental crust and oceanic crust. According to this diagram also you can understand them. This area, here ocean, here continent. So this area is called as continent, oceanic crust. You can see here. Oceanic crust. Here continental crust. This area upper mantle. So this whole area. This area is called as lithosphere. Upper mantle and crust. These two areas belong to lithosphere. Lithosphere. Can you understand? What are the uses of lithosphere? Make a question එක එන්න පුළුවන්. Users of lithosphere කිව්වා මොන්න වෙනත් එකක් කියලා කට්ටිය ටිකක් පුදුම වෙනවා නේද? බය වෙනවා විභාගෙදි ලියා ගන්න බැරි වෙනවා. මොනවාද මේ users of lithosphere කියන්නේ? ඕගොල්ලෝ නිතරම දන්න දෙයක්. Users of land. Users of land කිව්වොත් හැමෝම දන්නවනේ. Users of lithosphere. For agricultural activities, for settlements, for establishing industries, for irrigation activities, for exploiting minerals, to take mineral, various type of mineral, gem, gold, like these are called as minerals, graphite, these are minerals, for building cities, for the existence of fauna and flora, shaka, sattu, inda, for building roads. Can you understand? These are the uses of lithosphere. When the resources of the lithosphere are utilized by man, lithosphere is affected in various ways. What are the ways? When the resources of the lithosphere are utilized by man, lithosphere is affected in various ways. What are they? Name two of them. Question එකක් එන්නේ නේද? When the resources of the lithosphere are utilized by man, lithosphere is affected in various ways. Name two of them. Briefly explain one of them. What are the ways? The occurrence of land degradation due to excavation of land due to obtaining mineral resources. ඔන්න දැන් මේ lithosphere එක අපි භාවිතා කරද්දී lithosphere එක විවිධාකාරයෙන් බලපාන. හැබැයි භාවිතා කරද්දී උඟ වෙලාවට ඒකට අහිතකර දෙයක් තමයි වෙන්නේ, හිතකර දෙයක් නන් නෙවෙයිනේ. Occurrence of land degradation. භූමි හායනයට ලක් වෙනවා. භූමිය නැවත භාවිතා කරන්න බැරි තත්ත්වයටපත් වෙනවා. Due to excavation of land, due to obtaining mineral resources like diamond. ඔය diamond එහෙම ගන්න ප්‍රදේශවල කිසි දෙයකට භූමිය ආයි භාවිතා කරන්න බැරි වෙලා තියෙනවා. එතකොට mineral ගන්න නිසා භූමි හායනයට ලක් වෙලා තියෙනවා සමහර ප්‍රදේශවල. ඔන්න effect එකක්. It is example for effect. When the resources of the lithosphere are utilized, මේ lithosphere එකේ තියෙන දේවල් ගන්නකොට අපි භාවිතා කරනකොට lithosphere is affected in various ways. This is example for that. The occurrence of land degradation due to excavation කැණීම් කරලා ගන්නවා of land due to obtaining mineral resource. Intensification of soil erosion as a result of exposure of land due to clearing of forests. Land clearing. What are the reasons for clearing of forests? What are the reasons? What are the reasons? For taking timber, yes. Another one? Huh? In Sri Lanka?
For constructions.
For construction, various type of construction, for various type of development projects. What are the other things? Clear enough for us? Huh?
Agricultural
For
purposes.
agricultural activities, for chain, especially chain cultivation, clear enough for us. That type of chain is called as Navadaliyena. Do you have heard it? Change in the groundwater level due to various type of human activities, change in the groundwater level. Clear enough for us also have effect to change in the groundwater level. Changes in the surface landscape. People use the landscape for land for various type of buildings, construction of roads. It affect to changes the it affect to change the surface of the landscape. මේ මතු පිට භූමියේ ස්වභාවය වෙනස් කරනවා. ඒක සමහරට අහිතකරව බලපාන්න පුළුවන්. ස්ලෝප් එකක් ඇති වෙන්න පුළුවන් නේද? ස්ලිප් එකකට ඒක හේතු වෙන්න පුළුවන්. These are the various ways. Can you understand this one? Making question එකක් අහන්නේ මේ විදිහට. When the resources of the lithosphere are utilized by man, lithosphere is affected in various ways. Write two of them. Give two example for that. ඒ වගේ question එකක් අහන්න පුළුවන්. තේරුණාද? Can you understand? Occurrence of land body. Land degradation, භූමි හායනයට ලක් වෙනවා, intensification, soil erosion, changing in the groundwater level, changes in the surface landscape. This is example for that. Land degradation, භූමි හායනය. මේ ප්‍රදේශවල ගියක් ගහක් පේනවද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට? මේ diamond mines. These are විශාල diamond mines මේ තියෙන්නේ. Damage to certain layer of the lithosphere. මේක වෙන්නේ මොනවා නිසාද? මිනිස්සු මේ භූමිය භාවිතා කරද්දී lithosphere එකට damage වෙනවද? Damage to certain layers of the lithosphere. Soil layer එක විනාශ වෙනවා නේද? Soil polythene plastic දාලා මිනිස්සු විවිධ due to various type of garbage. Damage to certain layers of the lithosphere. Disturbances in the equilibrium of the lithosphere. ඒකට මේ lithosphere එකේ විශාල ජලාශය මිදි කරාම මොකද වෙන්නේ? මිනිසුන්ගේ ක්‍රියාකාරකමක් lithosphere එකේ. නේද? Building very large reservoirs. It affect to disturbances in the equilibrium of the equilibrium. What is the meaning? සමතුලිතතාවය. Some Earth surface lithosphere එකේ තියෙන සමතුලිතතාවය බිඳ වැටෙන්න පුළුවන්. Disturbances in the equilibrium of the earth. Okay. Then we are going to discuss about the atmosphere. Atmosphere. ගීමින ඉන්නව නේද ගීමින? What is the atmosphere? ගීමින මේටික් කරනකොට හිටියේ නෑ ක්ලාස් එකේ. කියන්නකෝ බලන්න. What is the atmosphere? What is the atmosphere? හෙට විභාග නේද?
Blanket of cover.
The atmosphere is the thin blanket of air around the earth that consists of various gases. Define the atmosphere. What is the atmosphere? කියලා හොත් question එකක් ලියන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ නේද? මේව මතක තියෙන්න ඕනේ. The atmosphere is the thin blanket of air around the earth that consists of various gases. Thin blanket of air. දැන් earth වටේට තියෙන්නේ නේද? Thin blanket of air like this way. Around the earth. තුනි වායු පටලයක් විදිහට තියෙන්නේ මේ atmosphere. Can you define the atmosphere? Hmm? The atmosphere is the thin blanket. Thin blanket. Tuni patalaya wage tiyene. Thin blanket of air around the earth that consists of various gases. Here various gases. What are the various gases? Huh? What are the various gases?
Carbon, oxygen, carbon dioxide.
What are the various gases?
Nitrogen, carbon dioxide.
Yes, here you can see. Sandali, nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, and other gases. Nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide. Nitrogen percentage? Huh?
78.
Yes. Nitrogen 78.09, oxygen 20.95, argon 0.93, carbon dioxide 0.03, ozone, hmm? ozone එකත් මතක තියාගන්න ozone 0.0006 හරිද 40 හරි නේද මතක තියාගන්න ozone helium neon krypton trace අංශු මාත්‍ර වගේ තමයි අනිත් ඒවා තියෙන්නේ The atmosphere is held by the earth due to its gravitational pull. ඔන්න දැන් මේ atmosphere එක කොහොමද මේ වායුගෝලයේ පෘථිවිය වටේට තියෙන්නේ? පෘථිවියේ තියෙන gravitational pull එක නිසා තමයි තියෙන්නේ. The atmosphere is held by the earth due to gravitational pull. You should know about the composition of the atmosphere also. Nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, ozone and other gases. Percentage matakada? Huh? Nitrogen 78.09, oxygen 20.95. Oxygen 20.95. Argon 0.93. Carbon dioxide 0.03. Ozone 0.0006. 40. Eh? The atmosphere mainly consists of what are the things? Atmosphere එකේ composition, atmosphere එකේ gases වල composition එක තමයි අපි මේ කිව්වේ. හරිද? This is the composition of the gases. The atmosphere is the thin layer, thin blanket of air around the consists of various gases. Gases composition here. This is the composition of the gases. But atmosphere mainly consists of gases, not only gases. Huh? Gases, water vapor, dust, salt particles. Can you understand? Before this, we discuss about the composition of the gases. We discuss about the composition of the gases. අපි මෙන්න මේක ගැන විතරයි කතා කරේ. මතකද? Composition of the gases. But atmosphere mainly consists of gases, water vapor, dust particles. Can you understand? The atmosphere mainly consists of gases, water vapor, dust particle, and dust and salt particles. Can you understand the difference between here gases and gases here? These two?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, then As a result of different human activities and natural phenomena, natural gases are added to the atmosphere. What are the natural gases? Vaigolate මේ විවිධ මිනිස් ක්‍රියාකාරකම් ස්වභාවික සංසිද්ධි නිසා වායුවලට විවිධ gases එකතු වෙනවා. Natural gases. Natural gases are added to the atmosphere. These are examples for that. Carbon dioxide, methane, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, due to various type of human activities and natural phenomena. What are the natural phenomena which affect to added these gases? What are the natural phenomena? What are the natural phenomena? Various gases added to. What are the here? What are the reasons for air pollution? Natural reason and human activities here. Volcanic eruptions.
Release of methane.
Release of methane from marshy lands. Yes.
Forest fire.
Forest fire. These are the natural reason. Can you understand? මේ question එකම එන්න පුළුවන් what are the gases released due to air pollution? Air pollution නිසානේ air pollution වන gases අහන්නත් පුළුවන් නේද? Name the gases which affect to air pollution. ඒකම වෙනත් විදිහකට නේද? As a result of different human activities and natural phenomena, natural gases added to the atmosphere. These are the natural gases: carbon dioxide, methane, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide. Can you understand? සමහර දේවල් ඕගොල්ලෝ දන්නම දේවල් question එක අහන විදිය නිසා තමයි දන්නේ නැහැ කියලා හිතන්නේ. Natural phenomena that affect the atmosphere. මොනවාද මේ atmosphere එකට බලපාන natural phenomena? Natural reasons for air pollution. Can you understand? Here we are discussing about the very simple thing. Natural reasons for air pollution. Volcanic eruption. එහෙම කිව්වම දන්න. Natural phenomena that affect the atmosphere කියපු ගමන් ටිකක් බය වෙලා බලන් ඉන්නවනේ. Volcanic eruption, release of methane from marshy lands, forest fire. Okay. Layers of the atmosphere. Layers of the atmosphere. මතකද? අපි මේව කතා කරා ඈ. Layers of the atmosphere. What are the layers of the atmosphere? Samadhi. What are the layers? Huh? What are the layers of the atmosphere?
Troposphere, stratosphere,
Stratosphere.
thermosphere.
Yes. Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. Exosphere කියන්නේ පිටත තියෙන කොටස නේද? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. Then we should know about the features of these layers one by one. Troposphere. Troposphere. First layer. Closest layer to the Earth's surface is called as troposphere. Closest layer to the Earth's surface is called as troposphere. What are the features? It extends up to 8 to 12 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. 8 to 12 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. The temperature decrease with the altitude. ඔන්න දැන් temperature එක මේ එක එක layer එකේ හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න temperature එකට මොකද වෙන්නේ කියලා. First layer troposphere. Layers ටික පිළිවෙලට මතක තියෙන්න ඕනි. එතකොට මේක මතක තියාගන්න ඔයගලන්ට ලේසි. Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. මතකද layers ටික පිළිවෙලට? You tell what are the layers? Yes. Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. First layer, troposphere. It extends up to 8 to 12 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. The temperature decrease with the altitude. On temperature එක මේක ඉහළට යන්න යන්න වැඩි වෙනවා. Altitude කියන එක තේරෙනව නේද? The height of of the land මේ ඉහළට යන්න temperature එක අඩු වෙනවා temperature එක මේ land එකේ ඉහළට යන්න first layer එකේ temperature එක අඩු වෙනවා මේ height in meters temperature decrease this is also the feature of the troposphere. Temperature decreases with altitude. Altitude. What is the altitude? Altitude කියන එකට වෙනත් නම් මතක තියාගන්න ඕන. in other words, environmental lapse rate, normal lapse rate. Altitude, environmental lapse rate, normal lapse rate. All the atmospheric phenomena occur within this layer. මේ layer එකේ තමයි වායුගෝලීය සංසිද්ධීන් ඔක්කොම වෙන්නේ. What are the atmospheric phenomena? What are the example for that? Precipitation. වැස්ස ලැබෙනවා. වැස්ස ඇති වෙන්නේ මේ layer එකේ. Temperature, pressure, පීඩනය, humidity, ආර්ද්‍රතාවය, winds, formation of clouds. These are called as atmospheric phenomena. All the atmospheric phenomena occur within this layer. On the first layer එකේ තමයි atmospheric phenomena වෙන්නේ. The process that occur in the troposphere are very important for the existence of the biosphere. ජෛව ගෝලයේ පැවැත්මට මේ ටික තමයි අවශ්‍ය වෙන්නේ. මේක ගොඩාක් වැදගත් වෙනවා නේද? The process that occur within the troposphere are very important for the existence of biosphere. Now, can you tell me the features of this first layer, troposphere? What are the features? What are the features of the troposphere? Natuli? What are the features of the troposphere? Look it again. It extends up to 8 to 12 kilometer. Temperature decreases with the altitude. Altitudes mean environmental lapse rate, normal lapse rate. මුහුදු මට්ටමේ ඉඳන් ඉහළට යනකොට land එකේ උස වැඩි වෙනකොට temperature එක අඩු වෙනවා කියන එක කොච්චරක් අඩු වෙනවද? හැම මීටර් 100කටම 0.64ක් temperature එක අඩු වෙනවා. All the atmospheric phenomena occur within this layer. These are the atmospheric phenomena. Wind, formation of clouds, humidity, pressure, temperature, precipitation. These all occur within this first layer. The process that occur in the troposphere are very important for the existence of biosphere. Okay, second layer. What will happen to temperature? Can you tell me?
Increases.
Temperature? ඉහළට යන්න temperature එක මොකද වෙන්නේ මේ layer එකේ? Stratosphere. Second layer.
Increase.
Yes, increase. Okay. The upper boundary of the stratosphere our first layer එකකමයි නේද? The upper boundary of the second layer stratosphere extend up to 48 to 50. එහෙනම් first layer එක කොච්චරද මතකද? first layer එක කොච්චර දුරට විහිදුනාද? 8 to 12. මේවා ලියන්නේ බලා ගන්න මතක තියාගන්න 8 to 12. first layer 8 to 12. මෙතනින් එක්කන තමයි හරි අමාරුයි. 8 to 12. It extend up to 8 to 12. First layer එක 8 to 12. Second